How do I find a job in Canada? If you're from Nigeria, recently moved to Canada, one of the first things on your mind is probably, how do I find a job? Don't worry, you are not alone and you are not starting from scratch. Trust me. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through practical steps that's going to help you land your first job here in Canada. So are you ready? Grab your pen and paper and start taking notes. Number one, you need to understand the job market. The Canadian job market might be very different from what you are used to back home in your country. Some roles will require certification from Canada or relevant years of experience, while there are still other jobs that are easy to access right away. For you, please, Biko Ejo, start small. What matters most is getting your foot in the door. Number two, in terms of the Canadian style resume, Canadian resumes are usually short and straight to the point. Usually takes about 1 to 2 pages and that's it. There's nothing like your photograph, your age, your marital status, your local government. Nobody cares about all of that. Focus more on your skills, your experience, your achievements. Highlight any past work that applies to the job that you are applying to. You can also write a tailored cover letter for each application that you're sending, especially when the application that you are sending to, they require a cover letter. There are tons of samples of online Canadian resumes and cover letters. Just search. Start with survival jobs if needed. So if you are not landing your dream job immediately, please consider with a survival job. And by survival job, I mean jobs in retail, warehouse, customer service, all those kind of jobs. These jobs will help you to earn money immediately, understand the work culture here in Canada, and help you to start building Canadian experience, which is very, very important. Number four, where to find jobs? Well, there are so many places that you can find jobs, but these are the most important ones. Indeed.ca, I've gotten a job with Indeed. LinkedIn, I've gotten 2 jobs with LinkedIn. Different company websites. Also, speak out on your local WhatsApp and Facebook groups. You don't know who might want to help you. Another thing you can do is to walk into local businesses around you, hand in your resume. Networking is important, and please don't forget the value of volunteering. It is very huge here in Canada. Number 5, build connections. There are many jobs in Canada that are filled through referrals. So try to join Nigerian associations, attend newcomer events or volunteers events. When people know what you're good at, they can actually and easily recommend you to employers. Be prepared for your interviews. Please practice common interview questions like, tell me about yourself. They usually ask this question: why should we hire you? Tell us about a time when you faced a challenge at work. Please be confident, clear, and be honest. Don't lie because they will know. Focus on teamwork when you come to Canada here to start a job, and communication is more important. Know your right. I don't want to stress this enough. If you are new, you know your right. You should at least be paid minimum wage, and your employer has to follow labor laws. Don't let anyone take advantage of the status that you are a newcomer. No. Job hunting in Canada can take time, but please stay patient, be consistent, and do not give up. If you have the right mindset and you prepare very well, you will find your very good opportunity here in Canada. It is a land full of possibilities, and I pray that the land will favor you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.